You look normal with a shirt on. Then you take it off. Thin arms, flat chest, soft stomach. You're not really overweight. But you definitely don't look lean either. So you try to bulk. Your stomach grows faster than your muscles. Then you panic and start cutting. Your stomach gets smaller, but somehow your arms disappear with it. And after doing both, you still don't have the physique you wanted. That's the skinny fat trap. And the reason you can't escape it probably isn't bad genetics. You're just trying to fix the wrong problem.
Because skinny fat isn't really about losing weight. It's about changing what your body is made of. Less fat, more muscle. That's body recomposition. But before I show you how to do it, there are 3 mistakes keeping most people stuck. Mistake number 1, constantly switching between bulking and cutting. Someone tells you, you need to eat big to get big. So you start adding extra meals, shakes, snacks, basically treating every trip to the kitchen like a muscle-building emergency. A few weeks later, your arms look almost the same, but your waist definitely doesn't. So you panic. Now calories get slashed, dinner disappears, and suddenly you're trying to survive on chicken, coffee, and regret. You lose weight, but instead of looking muscular, you just look smaller. That's the problem. Skinny fat people usually don't need an aggressive bulk or a brutal cut. Start around maintenance calories, or use a small calorie deficit if you have more fat to lose. Give your body enough fuel to train hard while slowly dropping fat. But calories aren't the mistake that ruins most transformations. That usually happens once you start trying to burn the fat off. Mistake number 2, turning cardio into punishment. You start running, then sprinting, then adding 30 minutes after every workout because more sweat must mean more fat loss, right? Not necessarily. Soon your legs are destroyed, your lifting gets worse, your energy disappears, and the gym starts feeling like preparation for the zombie apocalypse. Cardio is useful, but you don't need to destroy yourself. Instead, move more throughout the day. Aim for roughly 7,000 to 10,000 steps. Walk after meals. Walk while taking calls. Use cardio as a tool, not your entire personality. Mistake number 3, trying to eat perfectly. Carbs become the enemy. Fruit becomes suspicious. Rice becomes dangerous. And bread? Basically a criminal offense. You eat perfectly for 6 days. Then destroy a pizza on Saturday because you're miserable. That isn't discipline. That's a diet you can't maintain. Instead, build meals around protein, control your total calories, and include foods you actually enjoy. But even perfect nutrition won't fix skinny fat if your training looks like this. You enter the gym. Look around. Use whichever machine is free. Do random reps, random weights. Then repeat that for 6 months and wonder why your body still looks the same. You need progressive overload. Pick exercises you can track. Write down your weights and reps. Then make something improve. If you bench 60 kilos for 8 good reps today, aim for 9 next time, then 10. Then eventually increase the weight. More weight, more reps, better technique. That's progress. And those last difficult reps, they should actually look difficult, not throwing the weight around like it owes you money. Control the rep, train hard, keep your form clean, and stick with your exercises long enough to become stronger at them. Now protein. Every time you build a meal, choose the protein first. Eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meat, fish, dairy, protein shakes. Then add carbs and fats around it. You don't need to spend the next 6 months emotionally attached to dry chicken breast. You need a diet you can repeat. Sleep at least 7 hours when possible. Walk every day, track your workouts, keep an eye on your food, and take progress photos. And here's where most people fail. They want 6-month results in 3 weeks. During the first few weeks, the mirror might disappoint you, but your strength shouldn't. After a month, your waist may start looking tighter. After 3 months, progress photos should begin showing changes you stop noticing day to day. And after 6 months of actually sticking with the plan, the person who kept restarting every 3 weeks may be asking you what program you're using. So stop searching for another shortcut. You probably don't need one. Eat enough protein, train progressively, control your calories, move every day, sleep, and give the process enough time to work. But there's still one thing you need. A workout that actually gives progressive overload somewhere to happen. So if you want the exact training plan I'd use to build muscle while getting leaner,
Watch this video next.